Repurposing unconventional materials into unique, profitable craft business ventures has emerged as an innovative approach to creativity and sustainability, showcasing how discarded items like old tires, plastic bottles, and broken electronics can be transformed into high-demand, saleable products. This journey begins with a mindset that sees potential and artistry where others perceive waste. A fundamental shift that not only benefits individual entrepreneurs, but also promotes environmental consciousness by reducing waste and utilizing resources more sustainably. The process of upcycling trash into unique home decor and functional art is not merely about crafting. It taps into the essence of resourcefulness, imagination, and the entrepreneurial spirit, paving a clear path from salvaged items to a successful small business. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of profitable craft design ideas from discarded and unconventional materials to build business. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's world, urban living and consumer culture have led to an abundance of discarded materials, creating endless possibilities for creative minds willing to explore unconventional avenues. Old tires, for instance, are commonly seen as mere junk, yet they possess a remarkable capacity for transformation. With a bit of ingenuity, these tires can be repurposed into stylish garden planters, ottomans, or even decorative wall art. The distinct shape and durability of tires allow for a variety of applications that appeal to consumers looking for unique, eco-friendly products. For instance, a tire can be covered with colorful rope or fabric, creating a vibrant and functional seating option for outdoor spaces. This not only breathes new life into an otherwise neglected item, but also encourages a connection with nature, reflecting an ethos of sustainability that resonates with environmentally conscious buyers. Plastic bottles, similarly dismissed as single-use waste, present a wealth of opportunities for creative repurposing. With a few simple techniques involving cutting, molding, and assembly, these bottles can be transformed into stunning light fixtures, planters, or even intricate sculptures. The versatility of plastic allows for innovative designs, peeking into abstract art or functional items that serve practical purposes in everyday life. For example, a collection of colorful plastic bottle caps can be turned into a vibrant mosaic tabletop, adding an eye-catching element to home decor. Additionally, the ability to personalize these creations by painting or customizing them with different techniques enables crafters to cater to diverse customer preferences, ultimately increasing the marketability of their products. The transformation of broken electronics into profitable craft ventures underscores the potential for upcycling to transcend traditional perceptions of value. Discarded gadgets often contain components that can be reused to create striking decorative items or functional inventions. For instance, old circuit boards, electronic casings, and other electronic parts can be combined to craft one-of-a-kind pieces of art or jewelry that spark conversation and curiosity. A broken laptop, once deemed useless, can become a stylish clock or a unique lamp. Integrating these items into the design not only celebrates technological advancement, but also provides an interesting commentary on our relationship with technology in everyday life. As consumers increasingly seek out distinct and meaningful decorative solutions, these pieces can appeal to those drawn to contemporary, eclectic styles. Embarking on this creative journey requires developing a keen eye for potential and exploring practical techniques for transformation. It begins with collecting materials. Local businesses, recycling centers, and community cleanup events are excellent sources where unconventional materials can be sourced. Engaging with your community not only fosters connections, but also raises awareness about the significance of sustainability and the potential for upcycling in daily living. Crafters can establish relationships with local recycling programs or larger businesses for regular access to materials they can transform, solidifying a continuous supply chain that feeds their creative endeavors. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. Once materials are acquired, the next step is conceptualization, where the potential of each item is explored through brainstorming and design. This phase is crucial as it allows crafters to envision how raw materials will be transformed into appealing products. Sketching ideas and mapping out designs can help solidify concepts while also illuminating any challenges that may arise in the crafting process. Creative techniques vary widely depending on the materials being used. For instance, working with tires often involves cutting, painting, and stitching, while plastic bottles may require melting or heat molding. Familiarizing oneself with various tools and techniques not only enhances the creative process, but also empowers artisans to push the boundaries of conventional crafting. As each item is crafted, the importance of quality craftsmanship becomes evident. Consumers are increasingly discerning. They seek originality and affordability without compromising on quality. Therefore, ensuring that each piece is durable, well-finished, and thoughtfully designed will help establish a reputation for excellence and drive repeat business. Simple details such as sanding edges, applying protective finishes, or even presenting items in attractive packaging can significantly enhance the perceived value of the products. This attention to detail builds trust and credibility, encouraging consumers to view the creations as not just upcycled materials, but as valuable, unique art pieces. With a collection of crafted items ready, marketing becomes an essential component of developing a profitable business. A strong online presence is vital in today's digital age. Platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Etsy provide ideal environments for showcasing unique creations while connecting with a dedicated audience. High-quality images of crafted items paired with engaging descriptions can draw interest and stimulate conversation among potential buyers. Sharing the story behind each piece, its origins, transformation process, and environmental impact enhances its allure and allows consumers to connect more deeply with the product. This storytelling aspect not only showcases creativity, but highlights the importance of sustainability, resonating with consumers who prioritize ethical consumption. Networking with other local artisans, attending craft fairs, and participating in community events can also foster connections that expand outreach. These opportunities allow crafters to showcase their work in person, receive immediate feedback, and establish relationships with potential collaborators and customers. Additionally, building partnerships with local boutiques or galleries can provide valuable exposure while supporting local economies. Every interaction serves as a platform for promoting the brand's mission of sustainability and creativity, helping to cultivate a loyal following dedicated to the ethos of upcycling. As the craft business begins to gain traction, in conclusion, materials into unique, profitable craft business ventures presents an extraordinary opportunity for creative individuals to contribute positively to the environment while carving out successful entrepreneurial paths. By transforming discarded items such as old tires, plastic bottles, and broken electronics into high-demand products, artisans can demonstrate the value of creativity and sustainability in today's consumer landscape. Sourcing the right materials, developing design concepts, and marketing crafted pieces effectively while ensuring quality craftsmanship transforms perceptions of waste into valuable art. With a focus on community, collaboration, and customer engagement, aspiring crafters can unleash their creativity, prove that sustainability and profitability go hand in hand, and pave the way for a future where discarded materials are celebrated for their potential, shaping the way art and industry interact in a harmonized, eco-conscious world. Through this journey, the notion that one person's trash is another's treasure becomes a guiding principle, showcasing the remarkable possibilities that lie in embracing the unconventional. Well, dear viewers, There you have them. Our hand-picked profitable craft design ideas from discarded and unconventional materials to build business. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.